Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going on a special safari to meet the amazing birds of the African savanna. They come in all shapes and sizes, some small, some huge, some colorful, some very serious looking. Grab your binoculars and let's fly into adventure. Let's play a guessing game. I see something colorful in the trees. It can copy human voices. And it loves to say hello. Can you guess? Yes, it's the African parrot. Parrots have bright feathers and funny voices. Parrot can talk.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Whoa, he says. Hello. Hello. Let's all copy the parrot.
Hello. Hello. Yay!
Next riddle. I see something flying very high in the sky. It has sharp eyes and strong wings. It can see a mouse from far, far away. What is it? That's right, the eagle. Eagles are powerful hunters. Eagle says, "Let's all make a screech like an eagle." Here comes another game. Which bird walks on the ground with long legs and stomps on snakes with its feet? Can you guess? Yes, it's the secretary bird. It looks like it's wearing long black trousers. Secretary bird says, "Let's stomp our feet and shout like a secretary bird." Wow! Something very tall is running quickly across the grass. Let's see who's the fastest runner. This bird cannot fly, but it runs very, very fast. It's the biggest bird in the world. Can you guess? Yes, it's the ostrich. It has long legs and a long neck. These varied sounds, booming, hissing, drumming, and grunting, make the ostrich one of the most fascinating vocal birds of the savanna. Let's run in place and stomp our feet like ostriches.
Yay!
Now, close your eyes for a moment. It's nighttime in the savanna. Whoo, whoo. Do you hear that sound? It's a bird with big round eyes. Who could it be? Yes, the owl. Owls are silent flyers and hunt at night. Owl says, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Let's all whisper like owls. Last game. Which bird has a giant beak with a big pouch and loves to scoop up fish from the water? Who is it? Yes, the pelican. Pelicans are great at fishing. Let's all honk like pelicans. What an amazing bird adventure! Let's remember them all together. African parrot, squawk, eagle, screech, secretary bird, shouting, owl, hooting, ostrich, drumming, pelican, honking. You did a fantastic job, explorers. Now, let's flap our wings one more time and say goodbye to our bird friends. Bye, parrot. Bye, eagle. Bye, secretary bird. Bye, owl. Bye, ostrich. Bye, pelican. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.